Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer. We have got a great dish that we're going to throw in the oven and bake, and you're going to love it. So we are going to take you back and show you how it's done.
So we have all of our ingredients laid out here.
Everything you need to make this delicious meatloaf casserole. So let's get started.
In a medium bowl, we are adding 1 cup of ketchup and 1 cup of barbecue sauce.
So this is the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce I'm using.
Then we're going to set that aside for now.
And then
we are starting with 2 pounds of lean ground beef. We are adding 1 sleeve of crushed Ritz crackers.
Gotta have some Ritz crackers in our casserole.
Yes. 1 packet of Lipton onion soup mix.
You could use the generic if that's all you have.
1 medium diced sweet onion.
Gotta have some sweet onions.
And 2 eggs.
So we'll get that in there. And I've got my gloves on. Keep my hands clean. I'm gonna mix all this in to the beef. Just kind of mix it around. Then
we're going to add half of the barbecue sauce ketchup mixture.
Save the rest here because we're going to use it a little bit. Let me mix that in. That's why I got the gloves on.
This is going to be yummy.
Oh yeah. Once we get that,
a 9x13 baking dish.
And we're putting the meat in there, and I'm just going to spread it.
Spread the meat around evenly.
Just kind of push it to the edges gently. And then
pour the remaining ketchup mixture on the top.
And we're going to spread that around.
We preheated the oven to 350 degrees.
So we're going to place that in there.
Let it bake for 30 minutes.
And while that's baking, we're going to head back over to the stove, and I've got some water boiling in a pot.
We have a box of elbow macaroni.
And we're going to put about 3/4 of this in, about 3 cups of elbow macaroni.
There's a twist on this meatloaf.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, about right there. So you're going to want to cook those al dente because those are going to continue to cook in the oven.
If you place a wooden spoon on top, it will keep it from boiling over.
Yeah, it's a great tip. So once those are done, you can drain them, and then we'll get another bowl, and we're going to add 2 10.5-ounce cans of cheddar cheese soup. And we'll put both of those in here because we're going to make our cheese sauce.
Then pouring in 2 cups of whole milk.
If you have half and half, you can use that, or even heavy cream. It'll just make your sauce thicker.
And whisk it. Really good.
Get that all mixed in. Got to have some seasoning.
Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Whisk that in really good.
Then
pour it over the macaroni.
Look at all that cheesy goodness.
Mix that in gently. Now we are adding some cheddar cheese.
And we're going to add about half of this package. This is just a 1-pound package.
And some shredded mozzarella cheese.
And we're going to do the same thing on this one. Add about half of it. Get my spoon here.
Mix that in. We love our cheese, don't we, Jen?
Oh, absolutely. Anything with cheese.
We took the meatloaf out.
It cooked for 30 minutes. And we are going to add this delicious cheesy macaroni on top and spread it evenly as we can. Kind of just push it to the edges here.
Spread it out evenly.
Yeah. Add a little bit more.
Scoop a little more on top.
So then we're going to add the rest of that cheese. So that's the rest of the sharp cheddar and the rest of the mozzarella. And you could use whatever kind of cheese you want. This is just what we're using. The oven is still on 350 degrees.
We will let it bake for 17 to 18 minutes.
Just until the cheese melts and starts to get a little brown on top, and we'll check it. Oh, wow.
This looks really good.
It does. Look at all that cheesy goodness.
It's yummy.
Yum.
Let's dish some of this up.
Yeah.
This is awesome. And this doesn't take that long.
No, it really doesn't.
Put it together.
And it makes a lot.
There's not too many people that doesn't like meatloaf.
That's true.
I like it. You like it.
Absolutely. Of course, our followers would laugh and say, well, you guys like everything you guys eat.
That's for sure. This looks good. Really good. As Steve would say,
is this the best meatloaf casserole you've ever tried? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time, right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.